Welcome back to my pizza. My shitty pizza dough, pizza crust, pizza time. It's pizza time, baby. Oh, hello, Salem. How did your water ball get over here? There's that. Hi, baby. Hi, baby boy. Oh, wait, what time is it? 6:30. Whoop. Ah. Now I gotta be careful though because there's a cat. Shit. Oop, almost went right back to it. Beep, beep. Normally I'd be wearing an apron, but my apron is dirty. The hell is that? Let's try and get this dough made up. Is this ruining the dough? Probably. Does it look funny? Kinda. You know what we need? A little bit more sake. Just a little. Oop. Ugh. Yoop. Back over here. Let's go. Oh no, it's already off to a shitty start. Oh no! Ah! No! Oh, I've ruined it. Wait, no, that's not the right thing to do. There we go. Sort of. I usually do this for making loaves, but it'll bring it into a nice and tight ball. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Nice and tight ball. Will it need to rise again? Probably. But look at that. Ow. Yoop. How do you spin dough? I've never done it. Never had a chance to. But I don't think this is worth trying it on. It'll probably fall apart. Oh yeah. Picked up a whole ass jar of yeast at the store today. They finally came back in stock. Jesus. There's a whole lot of dough right there. Nope, 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 nope. God, this pizza's crust is gonna be terrible. It'll be fine. Go, go. Ignore those, ignore that. I'll have to put a pepperoni over that or something. Yikes. Yikes, dude. Oh, shit. No. Anybody out here a master class baker, chef, Italian? I think this is as good as it's gonna get. Oh, bud. Salem, where'd you go? God. Oh boy. Thin crust. So thin you can see right through it. Look at that, New York style. Baby. Then, while this rises again on the, Jesus Christ, on the pizza pan, baby. Well, it rises again. I'm gonna cook the sausage. I'm gonna slice up the fucking mushrooms. Gonna pound some sake. You didn't hear that last one from me, though. Is it sake or sake? Rice wine. Pretty good. Yeah, I think that's actually just about as good as it's gonna get. So, what we're gonna do here is we're gonna take it right up off the surface. Watch carefully. See those holes? You're gonna see a lot more of them coming right up. Look at this. God, I'm bad at making pizza crusts. Every fucking time this happens. Every single goddamn time. Look at that! Oh, no. Okay, yeah, this is bad. This is real bad. Oh, this is real bad. Let me tell you, we're gonna have about 2 hours of fucking footage of me just making this crust. Look at that! This is terrible. This dough is not meant for this. This is sourdough. I am not meant for this. I might try to send my roommate out for pizza crust. Cook everything while they're out getting that crust. Look at that. That's nice. That's real nice. Whoa. Whoa. Whoop. Whoa. Look at that. Delicious. It's got a face. La la. This is just getting worse and worse. Let's see how bad it gets. See, at one point, this dough was risen. He is risen. You. Let's go see if she'll let me in pizza dough. Pizza crust. Yep. Hey.
What?
Can you go get me a pizza crust?
No.
Please?
No.
Damn it. We're making tiny pizzas. Or one big pizza. Swear to God, I'm gonna make this fucking pizza crust if it takes me 2 hours. Meant to have this done around like 3. I have no idea what time I meant to actually have this done at, but God, definitely not right now. No, stop it! Stop it! Got a plan. Oh, this is actually decently big. It didn't need to be much bigger. That's gonna be a fucking hole right there. If I'm not cautious, I might open up a hole or two. No, god damn it. There it is. There's another one. I just oh! Up! Yep. Oh my god! Oh my god! No! My fucking dough, dude! It hates me. Let me make dinner, goddammit. I think I could order a fucking dough off of just like straight up raw dough from Domino's. I don't think they'll let me. Here we go. We're gonna fucking try this because it's not gonna work otherwise. It's not gonna work this way either. This will just get it stuck to the fucking pan. How do I know? Because I've done this before, and it fucked up. Man, there's some big ass fucking hole. Look at this fucking shit, dude. Look at this shit. God damn it. Yep. Yep, 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 yep. Yep, 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 yep. Yep, 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 yep. There we go. If you like this content, what the hell is wrong with you? There we go. Starting to become some semblance of a... Nope. Don't you fucking dare. Don't you fucking dare. I see that. I see that. Can I get some more fucking cornmeal for that? I think I've made like one good pizza crust in my life. Other than that, I have no fucking clue what I'm doing. But now that I have an actual jar of yeast again, I'm gonna make a real pizza dough. Pizza crust. Because I think... Whoop, there we go, there we go. Look at that. Now we're cooking with fucking gas. Please. Please. This is gonna be the shittiest fucking dough. Let me tell you, the toppings are gonna be great. Everything else, which is just the dough, gonna be bad. Dough is bad. Fuck dough, am I right? God, this is gonna stick right to the pan. It's gonna burn. This is gonna fucking burn, dude. But you know what? We got this. Just fill that hole in. Don't matter what hole it is. Don't matter whose hole it is. They give you the okay, just fill that right in. There you go, look at that, see? Boom. Ta-da! That looks terrible. I love it. Mwah. Mwah. I'm gonna set that aside to rise and further stick to the pan. There's literally no way I'm getting that fucking thing off without tearing the slices apart. Oh no. Yep. All right, baby. Show me what you got. Set that in there. I'm not gonna need you for a bit. Whoop. All right, now I gotta clean this fucking thing up, don't I? Yoink. Just hosing this bitch down. What the fuck happened to my sink? What? What the fuck? I'll have to fix that fucking tomorrow. Beep. All right. It's time to stop fucking around. Sort of. Yes, this is the content you come to Twitch for. Cleaning. Unfortunately, I don't have a big kitchen like, fucking, what's his name? Summit? I don't fucking know. The one who sometimes cooks in his kitchen. Nope, what you see here is what I got. That's my whole kitchen, baby. Woo. Nice. Nice and sort of clean, baby. There you go. Perfect. Kind of. That can just sit there. Gotta get a drink. Ah, delicious. Salem? Stop bathing yourself on stream. Hey. Don't lick it, please. Back to the content you came for, me fucking up at cooking. Wow. That, sake is not quite, it's not that strong, but woof, it's got a taste. All right, do I have to do this? And what's the best way to make this thing look like I'm looking through it? Is it like this? What? You giving me lip? Didn't think so. Eh. All right, got one of these bad boys for later. What we got? Cheese, and that. Got this for Rubens. Got some onions. Yellow onions. One yellow onion, please. The rest of you will be turned into French onion soup. Some pork. Ooh. Coconut chicken soup. What else goes on pizza? Not butter. Not my sourdough starter. Garlic, definitely. What else did I pick up for fucking pizza, bruh? No, not the Gruyere, not the ginger. Maybe ginger. A little bit of lime. Put that on the crust. Yeah, you can go on afterwards, but I'll pull you out just to remind myself. So we're gonna be looking at some sausage, onions. Don't worry about that spot on that onion. Came with the onion for free. Got some garlic, mini bellas. Gotta rinse these off. I'll toss this back in the